Dumplings are really not that difficult to make at home. Make the dough first by simply mixing together Pembe home baking flour and hot water. Knead into a slightly hard dough and then let it rest for about 30 minutes. For the filling, mix minced chicken and soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, white pepper, lots of chives, sweet corn, and ginger water. Mix and set aside. Roll the dough into a log and then divide into 40 pieces. Roll each piece into a circle using a rolling pin and then place some of the chicken filling on it. Fold the edges of the dough together to form the classic dumpling shape, or just press the dough firmly together. Heat oil in a pan and place the dumplings down. Pan fry the bottoms until crispy and then add water, cover and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes, and they're ready to serve. I love to garnish mine with spring onions, soy sauce, and chili oil.